Hey guys, here's Ty again with another video. Today we are going to make a cake from cookies. We are going to need 350 grams of cookies. We are going to need a blender to blend all the cookies into fine particles. And don't forget, the taste of your cake depends fully on the type of cookies you choose to use. I'll write down the cookies I used. Now I'm going to blend them thoroughly until they're into finer particles. We are going to take our fully blended cookies, which are 350 grams as said before, put them in our bowl. As you can see, they are really fine. You can just have a touch to see if there is something which is not well blended. Take our 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, mix it well as you await your next step. Now we're going to add our 380 grams of milk, pure milk. We're going to mix it well. After this point, you can either choose to put your cake mixture in the oven and that's it, or you add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix it well. After it's well incorporated, you need to find your chocolate chips and put them in, and also mix them not for so long. After you're done, you can use whichever form you have. I have a round one, so I use a round one, and place them into the oven at a temperature of 180 degrees for 20 minutes to 30. When they're done, just use anything you have to see if they're really going in nicely. And afterwards I used the Russian buttercream to make the last decoration. Want to know how I made my Russian buttercream? Check out my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so when I upload, you'll be able to get a notification. Thank you and stay safe. Love you all.